Welcome to Austin, Texas, where winter still hums with heat and the air smells like chili, smoke, and soul. Today we're making Ayurvedic Texas Chili, my way of turning fiery spice into balanced winter warmth. In Ayurveda, winter is ruled by Vata, cold, dry, airy energy. So we balance it with grounding roots, warming spices, and slow-cooked comfort. Start with the base: onion, garlic, and sweet potato. They anchor your body while feeding your gut microbiome. Now add cumin, coriander, paprika, and a touch of chili powder to ignite Agni, your digestive fire, without burning you out. Next, stir in 2 cans of beans and 1 can of fire-roasted tomatoes. Let it simmer with a dash of lime and love. Let it simmer low and slow. This is where the healing happens. Top it with avocado and cilantro. The healthy fats soothe your nervous system while the greens refresh your spirit. This is what balance tastes like in Texas: warmth, spice, and home in a bowl. Save this recipe for your next winter reset and follow for more cozy Ayurveda across America.